Hey people, Blue Master 804 here. Yeah, it's good to do something on the computer again. After only over just 7 days. Yeah. The coronavirus. Seriously. You saw that. Like, the guys going into other people's houses so that they'd get arrested easily. Now Maruf, if you're watching this, happy damn birthday. Like, you remember Maruf Khalik, everyone? Yeah, people. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Mr. Khalik, happy birthday Maruf. Like, remember, like, back in 2018? On that date? Yeah, I even showed you the card. Damn bird's time. Dad's long legs. Yes. And yeah, I have to turn this down. Okay, so hang on a sec. I'm sorry, but keep waiting. Yep, I know, right? Can you actually hear that? And when I record on an iPad, I can't pause it. Oh, sorry if you heard that too. Sorry to keep you people waiting. Watch this. I guess you can see it. Some light turning off. Now, yet again, of course, I'll leave this down like that. You're welcome, people. You're definitely welcome. Come on. So I'm trying harder, and there we go. It's gonna have to happen this way. Just, you know what, literally. There we go. That'll do. I play the game. It's like a... Okay. Well, there we go. A different way for me to play this in. How many birds do I have so far? Cheers. Next level. Come on. Do I just, Oh, I'm in deep shit. Oh my gosh. I need to click right at the birds. Come on. Right, silly me. Come on. Come on. Oh, my left hand. I got you, and I just can't move my finger fast enough. I can only do it. Actually, I can move it fast enough for a bit only. See? Okay, if I kill 10 birds, that's how I complete the level. And I got you, and I got you. Nearly I got you. How did I miss you? Oh, it's just... Yep. As always, if you want to see me play games, there they always are here. There they are here every month. I just don't bother playing upstairs in ages. It's like never again. Also. Yep. Finally completed that level. If I lose a level, then forget this. If I lose on a level, I'm done. That's what I mean. Can I kill this bird? Why wouldn't I? That one? I missed. Oh, oh, the blackbirds. Yep, deep shit again I was in. Actually, you know what? I mean, actually, I'll give it another go. Yes. Work, gun. Yes. Ten birds? Did I still kill 10 birds? You know what? I guess I still did. Yes. There we go. Yeah. Oh, it has to be more than 10 birds, actually. I never knew that. Honestly, because I definitely never read, I never read it the first time, I'm telling you. Yes, got that bird. And it's big too, duh. course. Yeah, that's right. I done terrible. I done terribly, mostly actually. So leave a like if you enjoyed me playing Damn Birds. Oh yeah, that was good. That seemed fine. Not too good. Just a game on the computer. That was Blue Master 804. Laters! And happy birthday, Maroof.